Welcome to my channel. How to set up Linksys Wi-Fi Extender. 1. Find a good spot. First of all, plug your extender into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area where your Wi-Fi signal drops. 2. Power it on. Wait for the power light to turn solid. This might take a minute. Once it's steady, you're good to go. 3. Connect to the extender's network. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Linksys Extender Setup network. It usually looks like Linksys Extender Setup or something similar. 4. Open the setup page. Now, open your browser and type in extender.linksys.com or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. This will take you to the setup page. 5. Start the setup wizard. You'll see a welcome screen. Click Start Setup. This will guide you through everything step by step automatically. 6. Choose as a wireless range extender. When asked, pick the option to set it up as a wireless range extender. This is the standard setup for most homes. 7. Select your Wi-Fi network. You'll now see a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your main Wi-Fi, your router's network, and enter your Wi-Fi password when asked. 8. Create a new extended network name. You can use the same name as your main network or give it a slightly different one, like home_Wi-Fi_ext. That helps you tell them apart later. 9. Confirm and apply settings. Click Next or Apply to save your settings. The extender will now connect to your router and reboot. Give it a minute to finish. 10. Reconnect to the new network. Once it's done, go back to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to your new extended network. Check if you're getting stronger Wi-Fi where it used to be weak. 11. Move the extender if needed. If the signal still isn't great, unplug the extender and move it a little closer to your router or farther away, depending on where you need coverage. Plug it back in and it'll reconnect automatically. 12. Test your connection. Walk around your space and test your Wi-Fi signal. If it's smooth and steady, you've set it up perfectly. Thanks for watching.